with Elise because life is just so great with her and I couldn't imagine it without her.
I look forward to spending the rest of my life with Nick because he's my best friend. He's the exact same kind of quirky and weird that I am.
I really look forward to every step, every moment, the challenges, the opportunities.
I think I'm really excited to have more firsts with him. Our first house and start a family together, and I'm excited for him to just be there and know that whatever happens, if it's really, really exciting or really sad or just quiet moments, I look forward to knowing that he's there with me. He makes me a better person.
If it's one specific thing, I look forward to starting a family with her. She's going to be the best mother in the world. One day she's going to be the best grandmother in the world, and I just want to grow old with her.